Hi everyone, this is Trail Ninja. Are you looking to discover hidden mountain roads in Japan? Buckle up, it's gonna be a ride. Well, today I'm taking you to the Yabitsu Pass, also known as Yabitsu Toge in Japanese, located along Kanagawa Prefectural Route 70 with my buddy Jeep Liberty Renegade. Yabitsu Pass is known as a mecca of hill climbs, and today I'm taking you to the other side of the mountain by crossing right through it. When you take a look at a map provided by the Geospatial Information Authority of Japan, Mount Oyama, where Yabitsu Pass is located, reaches about 1,250 meters in height, but the pass itself sits at only 761 meters, so it's really not that tough to reach. I'm starting from the Naganuki intersection, and after climbing about 7.3 miles, I will reach the top of the pass. The steepest gradient is 12%, with an average of around 6%. Then I'll head downhill toward Miyagase. It's about 20 miles. But hey, it's a mountain route. 2 hours? Sounds about right. So before departing, I'm going to introduce Up Garage Hadano Interchange Store to you first, since it would be a reference point of today's journey. Up Garage has been one of the biggest retailers for over 25 years, specializing in selling and buying used car parts. As you can see, the store carries not only large items like bumpers, bonnets, roof racks, Recaro seats, tires and wheels, but also small components like mufflers and suspension systems. They've got it all. Alright, once you leave the Up Garage parking lot, take a left toward Route 70. Station on your left side is the last gas stop before entering the pass road. Make sure your gas tank is full. Here, go straight through the Naganuki intersection. That's the start of Route 70. There will be some suburban areas for a while. After passing the bus stop on your left side, cross the Minoge Bridge. Then the road starts to feel like a real mountain pass. Be careful when the speed limit changes. In the city, it's usually 40 kilometers per hour, but here it drops to 30 kilometers per hour. Here's a little tip about where the name Yabitsu comes from. The word Yabitsu can be broken down into two parts. Ya meaning arrow and bitsu referring to a wooden container used to hold arrows. An arrow container was left behind at this location during a battle in the 16th century between the Takeda troops from the province of Kai and the Hojo troops from the province of Sagami. The container was later discovered at what is now known as the former Yabitsu Pass, located slightly west of the current one. From the 1960s to 1990s, Yabitsu Pass was also known as a go-to spot for car lovers with Sagami license plates. Some people consider Yabitsu Pass to be one of the three major passes in the region: Hakone Pass, Doshi Road, and Yabitsu Pass. Well, personally, Doshi Road is a much easier drive compared to the other two passes. Oh, that's a local bus. It runs between Hadano Station and Yabitsu Pass. Whoa. That was close. Here we are. You may see the entire Hadano city from this spot. It's Nanohana Dai View Terrace. Let's keep going. And now, a one-lane road. Whoa. Everyone see this? Things can happen out of nowhere. Always stay alert. In spots like this, someone's gonna yield. I always let the other driver go when it's on my side. It just keeps things smooth. Watch the curve. It's a tricky one. Head-on collisions happen here more often than you think. Finally, we made it to the top of the pass. Wait, what? Police? Did they catch me filming? Oh, looks like there's been some kind of accident. Wow, such clear spring water. There's something so calming about this place. Alright, let's smoothly cruise down the mountain pass now. Just remember, stay safe, even on the downhill. Finally, I finished Route 70 down here in Miyagase. Eventually, due to safe and low-speed driving and taking a rest at the top, it took approximately 2 hours in total. If you have an opportunity to come to the west from Tokyo, I recommend you to come to visit Yabitsu Pass before or after visiting Hakone. Take a ride with your beloved car or bike. It's gonna be awesome. It was in April 2022 that they opened the Hadano-Tanzawa Smart Interchange on Shintome Expressway. From the exit of the highway, it only takes 20 minutes to get to the Minogi Bridge. If you did the Yabitsu Pass, please let me know how it was in the comment below. And if you have a place you want me to do, just let me know. I'm up for exploring anywhere my Jeep Liberty can handle. Alright, that's all for today. See you in the next video.